Namaskar, good afternoon. How are you? Everyone safe? Broadly? Huh? No, I mean from COVID. No, please, I don't mean from losing your jobs, I mean from COVID. No. So I want to, मैं आज जो किसानों की समस्या है, जो दिल्ली के चारों ओर हो रहा है, और बजट पे थोड़े पॉइंट्स रखना चाहता हूं। सबसे पहला सवाल, सरकार किलाबंदी क्यों कर रही है? क्या ये किसानों से डरते हैं? क्या किसान दुश्मन है? मैंने कहा है कि किसान हिंदुस्तान की स्ट्रेंथ है, शक्ति है, और इसको दबाना, मारना, धमकाना सरकार का काम नहीं है। सरकार का काम किसान से बात करने का है और इस समस्या को रिजॉल्व करने का है। Today Delhi is surrounded by our farmers. They are the people who give us sustenance. They are the people who work for us. Why is Delhi being converted into a fortress? Why are we threatening our farmers, beating our farmers, killing our farmers? Why is the government not talking to the farmers? And why is the government not resolving this problem? This problem is not good for our country. It is not good for the peace and harmony in our country. It's not good for the future of our Kisans. They need clarity. The Prime Minister saying that the offer is still on the table to postpone these laws for 2 years. What does that mean? Either you believe that you need to get rid of the laws or you don't. So I feel that this issue needs to be resolved as soon as possible and the government needs to listen because Kisans are not going away. मैं किसानों को बहुत अच्छी तरह जानता हूं, ये नहीं जाएंगे, पीछे नहीं हटेंगे। अंत में सरकार को ही हटना पड़ेगा। फायदा है सबका कि आज हट जाए। तो ये किसानों पे मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन थी बजट के बारे में कि सरकार हिंदुस्तान के 99% लोगों को सपोर्ट देगी। ये बजट 1% आबादी का बजट है। जो हमारे स्मॉल एंड मीडियम इंडस्ट्री के लोग हैं, जो हमारे वर्कर्स हैं, किसान हैं, जो हमारी फोर्सेस हैं, उन सब से आपने पैसा छीन कर लेकर उन्हीं 5, 10, 15 लोगों के पॉकेट में डाल दिया है। आप प्राइवेटाइजेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, वो भी फायदा उनको मिलेगा। और हिंदुस्तान को किस चीज की जरूरत है? हिंदुस्तान को अपनी जनता के हाथ में पैसे डालने की जरूरत है। क्यों? क्योंकि अगर हम अपनी अर्थव्यवस्था को चालू करना चाहते हैं तो वो कंजम्पशन से ही होगी, वो सप्लाई साइड से नहीं हो सकती है। आई एम सेइंग दैट द कंट्री इज इन अ डेंजरस पोजिशन। आई एम सीइंग दैट द वर्ल्ड इज इन फ्लक्स। आई एम सीइंग दैट वी हैव ए aggressive China on the border. They have a clear vision of what they want to achieve. We do not have one. We are completely unclear about what we want to achieve. And it is dangerous for the country. When you have a situation on the border like this, you are destroying your economic structure, you're weakening your economic strength. It is dangerous for the country. Like I said in February, COVID is dangerous for the country. I was ridiculed I am saying it again. The conditions that we are going through are dangerous for the country. The country requires the Prime Minister to take strict, quick action. It requires that the Prime Minister puts money immediately into the hands of our people and starts the economy. It requires that he protects the small and medium businesses who give us jobs. None of that is happening. And it requires, a clear message to China that you cannot do this with us. You cannot be sitting inside our land and expect that nothing's going to happen. This country is lacking leadership. There is no leadership in this country anymore. There's just talk. There is no understanding. There's no strategy. The thing has come apart. Now, of course, what is there is a media that is controlled. And so, the reality of what is going on is not coming out. But believe me, that Maya is going to break. Somebody is going to break that Maya. And so my constant request to the Prime Minister is do your job. Do your job. You've been elected to do your job. Your job is not to sell this country to 1% of the population. That's not your job. Your job is to protect the Kisans who are standing outside. That's your job. Go hold their hand, give them a hug and tell them what is it that I can do for you. Your job is to make sure that small and medium businesses can compete with China. Talk to them. Ask them, because they have the answer to China. So the Prime Minister is basically given up. He is now on a different plane. He's got a beard and that we are going somewhere else now. And the country is not being run. And it's my request to the Prime Minister, please gather up your courage and run the country. Thank you.
खबरां नाल जुड़े रहो दिन रात सिर्फ पंजाब वायर न्यूज़ दे नाल।